Close your eyes. Feel the energy flowing around you. Inhale deeply and exhale. Imagine yourself embraced by a warm, protective light. You are not alone. You are divinely shielded. Breathe in peace. Breathe out fear. With each breath, feel yourself becoming lighter, freer. The divine energy that surrounds you is real. It has always been here. Allow yourself to trust it. Since the beginning of time, those who walk the path of light have spoken of an invisible force that shields and guides them. Some call it divine grace. Others see it as an ethereal shield, an ever-present guardian whispering in moments of doubt, protecting in times of peril. The Bhagavad Gita reminds us, those who take refuge in the divine will never be forsaken. This shield is not made of metal or stone. It is forged in love, faith, and divine connection. And it is always with you. The more you acknowledge it, the stronger it becomes. The more you trust it, the more you feel it. Have you ever had a moment when you felt an unexplainable sense of safety in the midst of chaos? That was your shield at work. Your shield is more than an idea. It is a presence woven into your very being. You may have felt it before in moments of deep peace or sudden protection. It manifests in many ways. When you meditate and pray, you invite a spiritual force that fortifies your inner walls. When you trust your intuition, you hear the voice of divine protection guiding your steps. When you choose love over fear, you strengthen the energetic boundary that surrounds you. Have you ever walked into a place and immediately felt uneasy? That was your shield warning you. Have you ever met someone and instinctively knew they carried negative energy? That was your shield protecting you. Your aura, your energy field, is your natural armor. The stronger it is, the less negativity can penetrate it. But like all things, it must be maintained. Cleansing your energy with gratitude, light, and faith ensures that your shield remains strong. Let me share with you the stories of those who have felt the hand of divine protection. A traveler, alone on an unfamiliar path, suddenly feels a presence guiding him away from danger. Later, he learns that he narrowly escaped an unseen threat. Was it coincidence? Or was he shielded? A woman, standing at the crossroads of a life-altering decision, prays for guidance. That night, in a dream, she is given a vision, a clear warning that changes the course of her life. Who whispered to her in the quiet of the night? A man, about to step forward into the unknown, suddenly feels an invisible force hold him back. Just moments later, disaster strikes where he would have been standing. Was it fate? Or was it divine intervention? These stories are not just tales. They are proof. You too have been shielded in ways unseen. Remember the moments when danger was near but never touched you. You are being watched over. The divine presence does not always come with a loud voice. Sometimes it is a quiet nudge, a sudden hesitation, a feeling in your gut. Your shield is always at work, even when you are unaware. Every morning as you wake, affirm your shield. Say to yourself, I am surrounded by divine light. I am safe. I am protected. Feel the words as they become truth. Close your eyes now. Envision a glowing white light surrounding you, forming an impenetrable barrier. This is your divine armor, strong and unwavering. Nothing negative can penetrate it. It is yours to wield at all times. Trust in the presence of your shield. The more you believe, the stronger it becomes. In your darkest moments, whisper a prayer, meditate, chant, or simply breathe in faith. Know that you are held in divine hands. Negative energy cannot touch you unless you allow it. Let go of fear. Let go of doubt. You are not weak. You are powerful, protected, and connected to a force greater than yourself. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Feel your heartbeat, steady and strong. Imagine a radiant light descending from above, flowing gently down until it envelops you completely. This light is warm, safe, loving. It is your divine shield. As you inhale, feel this shield growing stronger. As you exhale, release all fears and doubts. Breathe in protection. Breathe out anything that does not serve you. Now, imagine this light expanding, stretching beyond your body, beyond your home, beyond the limits of what you can see. This shield does not end. It is infinite, eternal, all-encompassing. You are safe. You are protected. You are shielded. Know this truth. You are never alone. Even when the path seems uncertain, even when fear whispers in your ear, remember, you are always watched over, always guided, always shielded. You are part of something vast, something divine. The same energy that created the stars, the oceans, the mountains. It flows through you. It shields you. If ever you feel doubt, close your eyes. Feel the presence around you. Call upon the divine, and you will be answered.